Hey guys, Fatekri, peace out, thumbs up. In this video, I'm going to show you some more information based on the universe. I call it gigantic universe. To us tiny humans, Earth seems pretty big. A few centuries ago, people thought it was the biggest thing in the universe, but as telescopes reveal more, it's becoming clear that Earth is seriously small. Some things in space are so huge they make the entire galaxy seem like a grain of sand on a beach. The biggest planet, at 142,984 kilometers across Jupiter, is the biggest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is 11.2 times larger than Earth, and its volume is 1.43 times 1015 kilometers third. So you could cram over 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter and still have room to spare. The Sun dwarfs Jupiter. It is 1.4 million kilometers across, 109 times bigger than Earth. Its volume is 1,412 times 1016 kilometers third, which means you could get 1.3 million Earths inside the Sun. Giant star. The giant star Arcturus is 25 times the diameter of the Sun, and it is the third brightest star in the night sky. The brightest star we know of is the hypergiant KW Sagittari. At almost 2 billion kilometers across it is 60 times bigger than Arcturus and more than 1,500 times bigger than the Sun. Light years. Dimensions in space are so vast that it's not practical to measure them in kilometers. Instead, astronauts measure things in light years. Light always travels at the same speed, 299,792 kilometers per second. So distances can be measured by the number of years it takes for light to cross them. A light year is the distance light travels in a year, which is 9,460 billion kilometers. If the Sun were the size of a grain of sand, the Milky Way would be the size of the Sun. Our galaxy. Our Sun is about 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. It's just one of them. The Milky Way is 100,000 light years across 1,000,000 trillion kilometers. The IC 1101 galaxy, or 1101 galaxy, is 5 million light years across, 50 times as big as the Milky Way. The Milky Way is one of more than 2,000 galaxies in the cluster of galaxies known as the Virgo cluster, but this cluster is tiny compared with superclusters, such as the Perseus supercluster, which is more than 300 million light years across, 3,000 times as wide as the Milky Way. If the Sun were the size of a grain of sand, a supercluster would be almost as big as the solar system. Sloan Great Wall. The universe is arranged like a gigantic spider's web. All the stars, galaxies, and clusters are concentrated in vast thin walls. The biggest is the Sloan Great Wall, which is 1.37 1.37 billion light years long, more than 12,000 times as wide as the Milky Way. So that's based on the universe, so that you'll have information that you need about the universe. Sorry about my cat here. So cute. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if you thought this was useful to you. Sorry, let me start that again. Leave a like, comment if you thought this was good, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.